Conditionals in JavaScript. Let's say you wanted to perform certain actions based on some conditions. In that case, we are going to use conditional statements or conditions in our program. So let's get started. So for basic setup, I have created one current year variable here with the value 2020. And first of all, we will be seeing if condition. So I have written two if statements here or two if blocks here. First if statement you can write by using this if keyword and with providing the your conditions or your condition inside this parenthesis. So for the first statement I am comparing current year with 2020, and whatever you write inside this curly braces, which is known as code block, will be executed if this condition is true. It is pretty simple, guys, as we as we use if in English statement or English language. The same way we can use this if condition here. If this is true, then run this. If this is true, then run this. That is how we can write if conditions. So first I'm comparing with 2020 and later I'm comparing with 2019, and let us see what is being printed. So let's just open our terminal and I'll run my program. I'm inside the basics folder and conditionals.js file. So I'm hitting enter, and as you can see only one line is being printed, which is yes, current year is 2020, and that is written in my first if statement. The second statement is false as I'm comparing it with 2019, that's why it is not printed. So let's move ahead. There is boolean conversion is happening while you write if condition or any other condition in JavaScript. As we know, one is truthy statement and zero is falsy. So we'll write both the here. I have written if one, then what? If 0, then what? So we'll see which one is being printed or logged in my terminal. So let's just run this program again. So currently it is printing only one program, one line here, as you can see, checking one inside if condition. That means it converts whatever value you pass inside your condition, either it is truthy or falsy. Based on that it will execute this piece of code or code block. So we know one is truthy and zero is falsy. That's why this first state code block is, or this first if condition is being executed. So let's just move again. So there is one more conditional statement we can use. So there is optional else statement you can attach to any if condition. Let's say you have one condition checking here, and if that condition fails, then you want to perform something. Let's say if this is true, then this, else perform this, something like that. So currently I am checking whether my current year is 2021, then it will print yes, current year is 2021, else it will print current year is not 2021. So let's just save this, and we can run this program, and as you can see it is printing my else statement or else block. So you can attach your else block with any if condition is there, only else cannot be there. So that's why this else statement is optional statement. Let us see another example. Nested if else statement. So first I am checking current year with 2021, then I have written else if, that means if this condition is false, then check this one, the second block. If that also results in false statement, then perform this last action. So this is also optional here, and if first if condition fails, then the second if condition will be checked. If that is true, then only this will be executed, otherwise this last statement will be executed. So let's just see in action. So I'm running this, and as you can see, first I'm comparing with 2021, it is not printed, but in the second else if statement it is being printed, and it then terminates the entire block here, as this statement was true and it has performed its actions. It will leave this entire if else block and will proceed to other commands or program here. Let me show you. I can remove this else statement as well. So let me just run again. So that is the optional part you can attach, but let me show one more example. Let's say I'm creating 2022 here, and just let me change this as well. Yeah, so let me just run this, and as you can see, it is checking both the if statements or if and else if condition as well, but it is printing the else one because current year is 2020 and we are comparing that with 2021 and 2022. That's why it has written here current year is neither 2022 nor 2021. So that's all, guys. Thank you.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, 'cause I'm